Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Vinayak Education. In previous video, we have seen what is strength of material and what is about the subject, and some basic definitions also we have seen. So in this video, we will see what is stress. What is stress? This stress, generally we will say the stress equal to force per area. We will say, but this is the wrong definition because the force here is the resisting force, not the applied force. So then I will give one example you can understand. See, when this is assuming any spring, okay, first, when we apply here load, the deformation will be there, okay. Due to that deformation in spring, the spring force will generate, okay. This whatever force due to this deformation is generated, that is resisting force, and due to this only the stress is created. So I think this example is very easy to understand. So this you can remember in this way, okay. So, what is stress? This is internal resisting force per unit area. So, this word you should remember, okay? Not just force. Internal resisting force is stress. Okay? This is stress equal to internal resisting force per unit area. The units are Newton per meter square. And Newton per meter square. The same units are for pressure also. Okay. In fluid mechanics, the same stress concept we will use as a pressure. So this is Newton per meter square or Pascal also you can say. So for calculating internal force, okay, I said that stress equal to internal resisting force per unit area. So how this internal force is calculated or how we will know, we will see. So here we will use the method of section. Okay, this is the method in from where we can calculate the internal resisting force. So assuming this is a one bar, okay, and this is the cross section of that of this bar. Okay, this is only the bar. Okay, and the P force is active. Okay, and the body is in static equilibrium. This condition you should remember. This body is in static equilibrium. So now you see this P is external force. Okay, now cut this body here. Okay, X and X. Okay, so two bodies will become like this. This is one body and this is one body. Okay. See, here the body was in static equilibrium. So after cutting also the body should be in static equilibrium. So to become a body is in static equilibrium, there must be a one force. Okay. When we are cutting, there will be two force will be there. Okay. But two force will be same magnitude, but direction will be opposite. Okay. This is called internal resisting force. Okay. When we are cutting, that time the force are generating. Okay, this force are called internal resisting force. Why we are calling internal means these are internal side. Okay, this is the external side. Okay, we are cutting here, so this will be the internal side. So what is stress? Stress is force per unit area. Okay, what is the force? This is resisting force. Okay, what is the resisting force value here? Okay, see here Fr is the resisting force. Okay, after cutting also it should be in equilibrium. Have said because before only it was in equilibrium. So now once again it will be in equilibrium only. So for equilibrium, you know that sigma fx equal to 0. You should remember the this equilibrium condition in mechanics we will study. Okay. Sigma fx is 0. So here what is there? Fr. Fr is this side minus p opposite direction equal to 0. So Fr equal to p. So here Fr is equal to the magnitude of p. Okay. So this internal force has the same magnitude of that of external force. This is not internal. Okay. This is external force. Okay. So that's why we can write Fr by A equal to P by A. This is external force applied. So whenever we are somebody is asking what is stress, so you should say internal resisting force per unit area, but the value of that internal resisting force is the external force whatever we are applying. That's why we will write F, directly external force by unit area. Okay, but the actual concept inside is this resisting force. Okay, this we can if somebody asks me, you can say that the method of section is used. Okay, So now I think you can understand the what is stress. Okay, the stress is internal resisting force per unit area. So you should remember, we should not say just the force per unit area. Okay. So thanks for watching this video.